It is 7:43 in the morning. All right, I woke up really late. All right, so look like I'm ready. My freshly meals. Let's get this day started. So remember, Mondays, let's make as many trips as possible. Let's make this money. So it's 5:04. I made a total of 184 for today. And I made a total of 18 trips. So okay, so I'm right on track for Monday, doing as many trips as possible. So let me get you out the sun. But that's the idea. 18 trips. All right, it's only 5 p.m. usually, you know, 10 o'clock, but sometimes, you know, 8, 9 o'clock. It's been pretty good. But here we go. Same routine over and over again. I always put it in my ebook. All right, which is part of the strategies on top of other strategies that are in the ebook. So if you want to do exactly the same thing, yeah, just get the ebook. But you know, I kind of give you hints on the videos and stuff, kind of like last week. But there's some other small little details that actually make you even more money, which makes it a lot easier to achieve that $2,000 a week. So bring it on. Let's keep making this money. So I finished the day off today at 8:10 or 2:30 something, and 23 trips. It just kind of died, and deliveries was beginning to be such a pain. But 2:30 for today, 23 trips. Let's keep it going. It's only Monday. Let's see what we get for Tuesday. Let's keep making this money. All right, so it's 5:59 a.m. It is Tuesday. Yesterday I only made $233, but I just wanted to make a lot of trips. Today I might do the same if I can finish my bonus for today, at least the first part of it. Then you know that'd be good. You know, 2 to 3 days to finish my my bonus. That's always a strategy at the beginning of the week. But let's see how much we do. Let's make this money. All right, so it is 6 p.m. or almost 6 p.m. I made a total of 233. It's been like dead. Well, it's dead. So I've been multi-apping all day because it just died. I mean, you be sitting there, you know, waiting for a ride like for a long time. There is a buddy of mine, Matthew, that I met, and he's actually a driver, and he actually drives a Tesla also. And he said he was going home because it was dead, but not me. I'm staying. So 233 for the day. All right, multi-app and the whole, you know, making a lot of deliveries. All right, strategy. Let's keep it going. Still some time left. Let's make this money. All right, so I finished the day off at 9. I think it was 9 o'clock. Made a total of 292. And look at this. People on this chat that I follow for Lyft and Uber drivers and all that stuff, complaining that there is no money to be made, and here I am making money. Yes, I just get the damn ebook, follow the strategies. They're all the same thing. I don't know who that is. But 292 for today. Finish at 8 o'clock. All right, tomorrow is Wednesday, so let's see how much we're gonna make on Wednesday. Let's make this money. 6 o'clock in the morning, or 6:06. Let's make this money. All right, so today we finished the day off at about 6 o'clock with a total of 368, I believe that's what it was. So all right, it was a good day. Did finish early. Tomorrow was my daughter's birthday, so I figured I'd take her to the movies today. But let's keep making the money. I'm done for Wednesday. No, for Tuesday. Wednesday. Let's see what we get for Thursday. Let's make this money. All right, so today it is 4:53. I made a total of 173, but I'm gonna take it easy today. It's my daughter's birthday, and I'm gonna end up celebrating it. So it could be it for today. I might keep going later on tonight, but we'll see what happens. But 173 for today. I did wake up at like 6 o'clock in the morning. Last night I was tired, so I had to get some sleep. But 173 for today. It is like 450 something. All right, let's keep it going. If I don't make any money today, then I'll leave it for tomorrow. Just keep making this money. It is 4 o'clock and it's Christmas Eve. there's actually work today, and I've only made a total of 150. I've been up since 6 o'clock in the morning, but I've been on and off. Actually, we're pretty busy for Christmas Eve. I am not gonna be working on Christmas Day, so let's see how much we make today, and maybe I'll work tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. Let's keep making this money. All right, so for Christmas Day, I made an even $200. That's for Christmas Day. Then for Sunday, all right, Sunday I made a total of 216, and I got off at about 6:46 p.m. And for a total for the whole entire week of 1723 for the week. Let's keep it going. Let's see how much we make next week.